he's still on there. Oh, he's stuck in the hole. Oh, he's stuck. Hold on. Here we go. Here we go. Silkie crappie. Chowed that Wonder Bread drop kick. Silkie. A couple of maggots. 11-inch black crappie. Got a lot of snow out here. We'll let this guy go. He's beautiful. We got a ton of snow out here in the last couple days. So much so we're almost getting stuck with the road. Out here getting after it. Can't catch them on the couch. We're catching some nice slab crappies on silkies and drop kicks. Shallow water, you gotta be careful you knock him off. In the hole, we're only about 5-6 feet. He doesn't. He's running. He's running. Oh, nice one. Did you see this one? Good one, good one, good one. Don't lose him, don't lose him, don't lose him. Come on, buddy. Chowed that. Wonder Bread, Silkie. I'll hook this and I'll show you what we're using here. Chowed it. Big guy. Chowed on fish last week, Jack and I, so we'll let these ones go. This is what I'm using. Wonder Bread, chartreuse white Silkie, packed with maggots. We tried it without maggots. We caught some fish. We got them to go. Jack got some fish on the pinhead. I added the maggots, and it seems like every single fish that comes by is chowing on this now. So we'll cut this back down and see if we get another one. Still fishing these shallow water crappies. Punched out quite a few holes all over the place, and Jack and I are just running around from spot to spot like chickens with their heads cut off. I just marked a few here. There's one coming back up, and again, I'm not that shallow. Oh, he missed it. He missed it. Hold on. He's coming back. He's coming back. Got him ever so slightly using the spring button. Got him. Oh, he smoked it. This one's got it. He's running. Where is he? Colors on this one's a little bit lighter colored one. Not a giant, but look at these. Have that Wonder Bread and Silkie right in the snout. Just another beautiful metro area slab. Oh, 10-incher, maybe not quite a slab. We'll let him go. I was talking about what I'm fishing here already. Using that new straight drop rod from Clam. You can see I'm using a really light spring, and that's been very important on the bite. I'm using this light jig. And a lot of times that crappie is just picking that up, so you can see that spring bobber bounce up like that where they're hitting it. And I got a nice taper reaction rod here in this 27-inch ultralight rod where I can really set the hook on these fish that have these thin paper mouths in shallow water. That's the setup that's working really well. And one quick tip I wanted to show you quickly on this Vexlar. This is the new FLX 30BB. This has a medium power mode. So a lot of Vexlars are running at standard power. You can go to low power. I actually have it on medium power because I'm fishing in such shallow water. High power, it gives me too big of a readout. Low power, I feel like I'm always messing with my gain. I'm on medium power and it gives me the best of both worlds. So one advantage of the FLX 30BB is you can go to medium power. So I'm going to try and catch some more crappies here. Like I said, dealing with a lot of snow. You got to get out there and catch them. It gets the cardio going, and guess what? We're catching fish and we're not sitting on the couch. Ooh, that one crushed it. He's no, stop. Oh. Another nice metro area black crappie. Beautiful fish. Look at the hue on that thing. Big lump on its head. Big old mouth. And they fill your hands. See you, buddy. Go live to fight another day. Bye-bye. metro area crapperoonie. Let him go to fight another day. Looks like someone took a chunk out of the top of his head right there. Nice big dent. Yeah, big thing today. One huge tip is move. You see some guys around here set up in fish houses and they're hunkered down, and yeah, it's comfortable, I get it, it's windy, it's cold. But if you could see our spread of holes behind us, we zigzagged ourselves all the way here for about 100 yards to chase this pot of fish. So stay mobile, stay active, get after them, and you'll catch a bunch.